Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Questrade is one of the most popular ways for Canadian investors to gain exposure to 5 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. Instead of picking individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF and build a diversified portfolio directly through your Questrade account. So Questrade allows investors to buy ETFs and offers access to both Canadian and US listed S&P 500 funds. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Questrade in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing you have to do is open a Questrade account. Okay, so if you don't already have an account, create a Questrade self-directed investing account. Choose an account type such as TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, margin account. So Questrade supports ETF investing across multiple account types. So after that, you have to fund your account. So before investing, transfer money into your Questrade accounts. Common methods include instant deposit, bank transfer, online bill payments, scheduled deposit. Okay, so Questrade offers several funding methods for investments or investing. Okay, so deposit money using instant deposit, bank transfer, or bill payments. Wait until the funds are available for trading. Okay, after that, search for an S&P 500 ETF. Okay, so as you can see here, use the search bar feature. Choose popular options include like VFV, VOO, IVV, ZSP, or XSP. Okay, and review fund objective, expensive ratio, currency dividend policy. Okay, after that, open the ETF quotes page, enter the ETF symbol in the search bar, open the ETF's quotes page, review the charts and fund information, and then click buy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.